Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2024 Genesis G90? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dashboard has a sleek design with a wide OLED display, rotary dial, voice control, and haptic touch panel for a modern driving experience. The cluster display features a high-resolution digital screen with 3D visuals, showing speed, navigation, and driver assistance info clearly and intuitively. The LCD display shows high-resolution info like speed, navigation, and alerts for better visibility and control. The climate control system allows precise, separate temperature settings for driver and passengers. The gear system uses a rotary dial for smooth, intuitive shifting, enhancing cabin space and modern design. The steering wheel features built-in controls for audio, cruise, and driver assist. Instrument cluster.
The units of measure may differ depending on the intended destination of the vehicle.
Cluster indicators, seatbelt warning, airbag warning. Parking brake, anti-lock brake system. Electric power steering, charging system warning. Engine oil pressure warning, low fuel level warning. Malfunction indicator lamp, master warning. Electronic parking brake, low tire pressure warning. Forward safety warning, emergency steering warning. Lane safety indicator, driver attention warning. Intelligent speed limit assist, all-wheel drive. LED headlight warning, icy road warning. Electronic stability control, electronic stability control off. Immobilizer indicator, auto stop indicator. Turn signal indicator, high beam indicator. Low beam indicator, light on indicator. High beam assist indicator, auto hold indicator. Safety precaution. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.